Alright, so the very first thing you guys want to be doing is downloading Unity, which is the first link down in the description. Download Unity, you'll create an account and then you'll download it. So now you have Unity installed, you're going to go to your Unity hub. Now you're going to go to the left side, click on installs, pre-releases, install editor. Then you're going to go ahead and go to archive and look for this version, 2022.3.2f1. That is the Unity version for the Unity projects that you're going to be using. Now you're going to go ahead and go to the third link in the description, which should bring you to this link made by developer 9998. Go to code, click on download zip. Once this has done its thing, you're going to go ahead and go to show in folder, click on extract all, extract. Now that that's extracted, you can go back to Unity, click on add projects from disk, go to downloads, click on Gorillashirts Unity project, then go to this one, and then you click open. Now this should launch this. You're going to go ahead and click on that and wait for this to load. Okay, so now we are in the editor. Now I'm assuming most people that are watching this video are actually new to Unity, so quick rundown. This is the hierarchy, just shows you what's in your game, or in this case, player model. Then we've got the inspector. This lets us change different things, like properties to different things. And then we've got the assets, so you've got project, which just has like all of your files and things. You've got console, Unity version control, don't worry about that. But then you've got console, which tells you if anything's wrong with your account, with your game. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go to project, go to scenes, and click on scene. This should load this. Now you're going to go ahead and click on one of these three. I usually go with the white one. Makes my life easier. Though that one does work. Any of these work. Now, so you'll click on this, right click in your assets, and then click on import new asset if you already have something downloaded. Now if you want to do something, if you want to make your own cosmetics, you can go ahead and download Blender. There'll be a link in the description. I'm not going to show you how to download that though. Another thing you can go ahead and do is you can go to sketchfab.com and you can search up, I'm going to go with subscribe, because that is what you guys should do. Find this here, scroll down, download 3D model, you make sure it's a .fbx file. Then you're going to go ahead and go back to this, to your downloads, extract all, and then it should be there. Now we're going to go ahead and go back into Unity. We're going to go ahead and import new asset. Then we're going to go to the subscribe button or whatever your cosmetic was and find it. Import it into your hierarchy. And then make sure you also import the textures that go along with it. There we go. Now you're going to go ahead and scale it. You can go ahead and press your keys on your keyboard. Just you hold right click to move around. Don't hold right click when you're switching between them. So Q is like moving around like this. W is move objects. E is rotate. R is scaling. And then these last two you don't really need to worry about. Go ahead and click on R to scale. Click on W to move it. Scale it to exactly how you want it to be. Rotate it. Now if you hold Control while you rotate, it does it in chunks so it's exact. And we can rotate it more, so rotate it to the side. And then rotate it down. So it's upside down like this. Then we're going to go ahead and put it in the monkey's hand, just like so. Maybe rotate it so it fits perfectly in the monkey's hand, like that. Now we're going to go ahead and drag this underneath template 1, which is the template I'm using. If you're using template 2 or template 3, then drag it underneath template 2 or template 3. Then you're gonna go ahead and click on template 1, find your model, and drag it under right hand, left hand. So if you're doing a shirt, you're gonna have to put it under body, left upper arm, left lower arm, right upper arm, left lower arm, right lower arm. But if you did hand cosmetics, whichever hand you put it in, so for me it's gonna be right, you're gonna drag it from hierarchy into right hand. Now, all you need to do is change the name to whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it to subscribe. Make the author you, so I'm gonna go ZBeanVR. And then you can go ahead and click on Export Gorilla Shirt. Click on Save, and then wait for that to finish exporting. Go to the third link in the description, download the Google Drive thing, and it should be Gorilla Shirts. Then you're gonna go ahead and drag and drop that into your plugins. Now this is where it gets fun, because this is actually importing it into the game. You can go ahead and click the plus icon, go to your downloads, and then here is where your thing should be. So you're gonna, if it's not at the top, you can just go ahead and search up, try and just find subscribe. Here we go, this is it. We're gonna bring it up into the plugins. So you're gonna have to launch the game first, and then default should be there, so drag it into default. Or if you already have these three here, then you can drag it into custom, expressions, whatever. Now it should be in here.